Hello, my name is Nina. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to start with the warm-up. Warm-up is a very important part of your workout. You would like to prevent the injuries as much as possible, give the rest to the muscle, and get ready for the really hard workout. Let's start. Let's start with the very basic pose. We're going to sit down on the mattress, cross our legs, stretch our back up straight. Inhale, exhale. Let's raise the arms up to the sky. Feel the stretch and to the side. You should be feeling a nice stretching on the side muscle. And let's turn to the other side. That's very good. That's very good. I love stretches. The stretch really helps to prevent injuries, especially before cardio or HIIT workouts. That's essential for me. Let's stretch one leg forward and try to reach it. Important part is not to bend over, but kind of send the hip back and bend over it. You should be feeling a very nice stretch in the back of the hamstring. And let's change the side. Remember, don't just reach there, but kind of fold. Important part of the warm-up is to make sure that you are making body ready to a harder workout. Next, let's stand on the knees. Extend one leg on the side and bend on the side. You can stretch your arm if you can. If you can, that's not a problem. This is just warm out. Take it easy. Let's change the sides. Inhale, exhale. That's great. Now let's do some head movements. This is to prevent that pesky pain in the neck, because it is very important to warm the muscles, even those that you think you're not going to work during the workout. Sorry, not to use during workout. For example, neck muscles, they are usually avoided because it's thought that, oh, I'm gonna do glutes, I'm gonna do arms, it's not gonna be in my workout, why should I do it? No, that is important. You should stretch every group of the muscle, and neck is very, very important in this case. Let's roll our shoulders back. That's good. That's very good. And forward. That's great. Now let's stand up and turn from side to side. Yes, that's great. Awesome. I'm feeling heat and the muscle being stretched all around. That's good. Let's stay forward. Now we're gonna switch to dynamic stretches. These stretches really help you before any cardio or hard workouts. Let's start with the hip openers. So make a soft lunge position. Feel the stretch behind your knee. Now bring the back leg to the front and make a full rotation. Send it back. Let's repeat. Send it back. You can jump, you can make small pushes in this position. This really helps to open up the back of the knee. Let's repeat. And let's repeat to the inner side. If you was doing clockwise, do the reverse position of the leg. Let's switch the sides. Okay, that's great. I love doing exercises in open air. It's a great chance to meditate, because while we're doing exercise, actually we are cleaning up our mind. That really helps me to put my thoughts together and to relax. That's great. And reverse the position. That's great. And one more time. Awesome. Now let's make a squat. Just softly squat down. You should feel some heat in the glutes. That will help you. Just squat down. Awesome. Okay, if you feel ready, let's start the workout. Thank you.